There are a lot of aftermarket performance parts options out there, but only a few that are designed, engineered, tested, and backed by Chevrolet. Today I want to give you an overview of the CT525 Crate Engine with Forged Pistons so you can better plan your project. The CT525 is based on the LS engine family and is similar to the 6.2-liter LS3, but adapted to circle track racing with a carbureted intake manifold, 6-quart racing oil pan, and more. The engine is lightweight and strong, using an aluminum block with cross-bolted 6-bolt main caps and high-flow LS3 rectangular port cylinder heads, and now includes forged pistons and low-friction rings for increased durability. This combination is rated 533 horsepower at 6,600 RPM and makes a hefty 477 pound-feet of torque at 5,200 RPM per Chevrolet performance testing. New forged aluminum pistons offer an additional measure of strength for an engine designed for sustained high RPM operation on the dirt and paved tracks of the competitive late model and modified series across North America. The CT525 6.2-liter comes with coil on plug ignition and an SFI certified balancer. All that's needed to complete the assembly is a carburetor, starter, and our LSX ignition controller, all available from Chevrolet Performance. I hope this quick look at the CT525 Crate Engine with Forged Pistons helped you learn a little bit more about how it might be the perfect fit for your project. If you're ready to get started today, please call or visit your local Chevrolet Performance dealer or learn more at ChevroletPerformance.com.